This is Tip from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to manually open up this charge port on your Tesla. So if you are at a non-Tesla charger or something like that, you can open it up with the controls on there. But if you are at a Tesla charger, all you have to do is press this button near it, and it'll open up just like that. So there's two different ways that we can do that. I'll show you in the car now. So hopefully this thing closes. But we can go ahead and jump in the car here. And I got Grok up, so hopefully he doesn't talk to me. So let's close Grok real quick. So we're in the car. Hit the car option right here. And then we can go down. So under controls, I don't see an option to open it up whatsoever. But if we go to charging, we have close charge port are open right here. So we can just go back here, charging, and we can open the charge port. So if you're at a non-Tesla charger, that's the easiest way to go ahead and open this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.